Hey friends, if you wish to know the best Windows Defender settings to harden protection, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and then open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Manage Settings in the right pane and turn on Real-Time Protection. Now, go to the next tab, which is Account Protection. Make sure that you're logged in using your Microsoft account. Then go to Firewall and make sure that Firewall is on for both the domain network, public and private network. Then go to App and Browser Control. Go to Smart App Control Settings and then make it on. We'll return to the same page, and for reputation based protection, we will make it on. For device security, we will go to core isolation and turn memory integrity on. That is it. These are the main settings that you need to make sure of for Windows Defender. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.